It's Friday, folks, which means it is results day and our last two boards of our weekly challenge with the robots. We are playing in a non-best hand tournament against these robots. I think we're doing pretty well so far. I feel confident on the results we've had. I think maybe one board we could have done slightly better, and it could be, it could be a little bit of a game changer, but most of them look like they're pretty reasonable for our side. So let's jump into this one. I left you with this yesterday. What was your choice? One club to you, folks. What would you do? The answer is you bid one no trump, folks. 15 to 18 balanced. It goes up 1 point on the overcall side of things. So you should have a slightly better hand on the upper version of this. And here we're very happy to see partner bid 3-0. We know we're in a good spot because we, in fact, have a maximum. We would have accepted an invite here as well. Now, let's do some quick math, folks. This is the beauty of information that we get in the auction. 18 points in our own hand. Partner has 9. That's 27. What did East do? East opened the bidding, folks, in second share. That's at least 12. That's 39 total points, folks. Guess what that means? It means we're playing this hand face up. Right? We kind of know every point in the deck unless something super weird is happening. So they really should not be able to trick us. And it looks like they know they can't trick us as well. The diamond suit is interesting. We would love to see the 10 of diamonds get played on this first trick here. We expect the queen of diamonds to be in the East player's hand. So if we don't see the 10, oh, we see the queen right away. Okay, that's good. All right, so easy peasy here from now on. We know what we're going to pitch on the diamond, and if we don't, I'm going to ask you in a second. All right, folks, what are you going to pitch? To be honest, maybe we should have played some clubs first, but to be fair, you shouldn't have to deal with this. What are you going to pitch, folks? Where's the King of Hearts? King of Hearts has to be in the East player's hand, so we pitch a club, right? Because we should know this finesse is a guaranteed winner, and here the robot is just being very obvious to us here, and we will take the rest. Here it is, guys. That's what counting will do for you, folks. Counting the points. Counting the shape around the table as well, but really counting the points on this one is all we needed to do to know exactly how to play this from trick 1. Right? So the only question at the end there was, which do we keep? What do we keep? Well, we know the King of Hearts is on side, so we decide to take those 2 tricks that we know we have. Right? So just count up those points. Sometimes the game will be really easy. All right, 1 no trump to us. We are now just forced to deal with this terrible hand here. Looks like they play that as a minor suit transfer. 3 spades is shortness. 3 no trump says, okay, I'm okay with that shortness. And boom, they're playing 3 no trump. Now, I'm going to lead a heart on this one, and I'm going to tell you why. I know I'm leading into East's strength, right? And I know West has a reasonable hand as well. They've shown some sort of game forcing hand over there. So I'm pretty sure partner's defending this hand. And East is suggesting, knowing that West is short in spades, that they have some handle on that spade suit, right? So here what I'm really trying to do is just set up some tricks for our side, but also I'm hoping to hit partner. And that's why maybe a club here might have been a thought, but partner could have doubled that at the 3 level, and they didn't choose to do that. So here, I'm just going to play a low heart and hope we're getting lucky. We may still be getting lucky, by the way. Did you see that, folks? I played a low heart, and it went win ace when the 7 was actually winning. So that's a good sign. It means righty has like tight honors, ace king tight probably in this situation, or maybe ace king queen tight. That could be bad. And here it's just gonna look. Yeah, ace king queen, ace king queen fourth. Excuse me. All right, now we're just in trouble, right? They're going to take a boatload of diamonds. They have a lot of good hearts. Ooh, what happened there? Oh, our partner did have. Nice partner. Our partner was playing coy with the ace of diamonds over there. Good for you. Unfortunately, that's the unfortunate problem. They have entries over there, but we still have some business to do here. I'm going to pitch this club. And now I'm going to win this spade and exit a heart and just force declare to lead from that side of the table. And let's hope they have another loser. They do, apparently. That was all our partner, guys. That's why we set partner up, by the way. We didn't really have much to think about on this one. The only thing we maybe should have thought about is ditching the heart there. Oh, we lost, and that was it. Board 2. That was exactly the board we thought it could be, and here it is, folks. Honestly, I got to give it to the robot. They did very well on this set of deals on this one here. Take a look, guys. They basically chopped us on every single one except that board 3, which was 3-0. And I have to say, they did quite well in some of these other ones where we weren't sure they would be kind of doing the same thing. So we lost this one, guys, by 8. And here are all the results. Let's take a look at this one and see what they did at the other table here. And let's get to the right screen here. Sorry about that, guys. So here is their 4-heart contract. And let's take a look at how they did it, right? They went 8 of diamonds, same play. Played a heart to the king, okay, and they ducked. That's exactly what happened at our table. And now here's where they went the other way, right? So they could have played another heart here like we did, but they chose to actually play a diamond because I think they usually know what's happening on these sorts of hands, and I think they figured it out early enough to get it right. And now when they draw around to trump, they're actually helping declare here, because now they just have an easy way to get rid of some losers and still solve that club suit, right? So unfortunately, that's the board that really mattered to us, right? Here, we bid 3-no trump on this one, and we were rewarded with a +6 win, but notice the difference between a vulnerable game swing and a non-vulnerable game swing, right? Here, on this one, we actually went down 1, so it was even worse, but it's vulnerable, right? And here's a non-vulnerable one. You see the difference in the power of vulnerability. The rest of these are, we knew we could have gobbled an extra trick in both of these spots. And in fact, this one was the one we were sure if I played low to the queen, we were getting 1 up here. The important part of this is these weren't the ones that really mattered. The one that mattered was board 2, and that was it. Well, let's take a look at some of these other ones. It looks like they had the same auction on this one. Yep. And here it went a club. They doubled with our hand instead of overcalling 1-no trump. Interesting, right? I think I think this is fine with a balanced 18 to do it this way. I think this is just as well. The same auction should have happened here. How about up here with the Q bid that we had? Let's take a look at this one. Here we decided to Q bid, and so did they. Very good, right? The robot did the same thing we did on this hand as well as this one, and they played it 1 trick better. So wow, good play by the robot. I'm very impressed. And here we knew it, right? We knew we could have played this differently for +620, and it might have mattered. It's Friday, so I might have forgotten about this. It's been so long, and so have you. But this is the one hand that mattered, and they nipped us, guys. They nipped us, unfortunately. So we'll take a -8 loss, and we'll chalk it up to good robot play on board 2, I suppose. I'm happy with the line we took as well, though, folks. So we're just a little unlucky on that one that we don't get to chop it and maybe win by like 4 instead of losing by 8. So we'll try again next week, folks. And don't forget, if you haven't checked it out yet, I know I'm harping on this, but they're so good, guys. The complete guides, doubles and slam bidding, they're available now on bridgelesson.com. I'm going to leave the links in the description for you. Please grab these, check them out. I have more practice sessions coming up for each topic, and it's important for you guys to really master the important stuff in the game, and those are 2 very good, complete guides to 2 very important parts of bridge bidding. So I hope you check those out, and until next time, may all your finesses be winners, or at least more than 50%. Let's get you guys above board on that. And have fun at the tables, folks, and I'll see you either in class here or on bridgelesson.com. Take care, folks.